Hello, I'm Dr. Colette Nero, the proud principal of Omaha North High Magnet, and I'm pleased to extend an invitation to our virtual open house event on Sunday, January 10th from 2 to 4 p.m. via Microsoft Teams. You can access the event the same site where you access this video, as well as our social media accounts and webpage. As part of the visit, you will hear about our STEM Academy with courses in engineering, precision machining, biomedical science, computer science, and information technology. You will also learn about our visual and performing arts, athletics, and activities. No matter what your specific area of interest might be, I can assure you that the critical thinking, problem solving, social and emotional coping skills that you gain here will serve you well in future endeavors. I encourage you to be open to new challenges and new possibilities as you find where you belong. At Omaha North, we are proud of our family atmosphere and the tradition of excellence that continues with you. So check us out and see that Omaha North High is the place to be. Be up.